tell us how was it possible? Because this house is very beautiful, but it's not a monocolor. It's a multicolor.
Okay, we had said the client has a good eye in terms of the interior design. So we were able to work with her and generate colors that match very well with us. And we had already done even an interior render for this house, but it was a different shades. But the client went with these two color schemes, and they came out very, very, very well.
It is beautiful.
Yes,
Then one thing that amuses me is this idea. This idea is spectacular. You know, normally at times the client decides to do the sink there, another one decides to do the sink here. But this one thought of hiding it here.
Yes.
From the sitting room, you can see it. It's very private, but it's very well situated properly. We had to add another precast panel here. It was added so that we can be able to have this. So it was like an additional. We had to add all this. It was normally we usually have it here so that we cannot add a budget. But the client was open to add this extra budget for putting this precast. That's why you have it here. So if you don't have the budget, we'll just put it here. Here or maybe
here
there.
Or there. So you can see the dining, how big
very
it is.
Big. This is a whole room.
Big, spacious. You can do even a 12. So normally we design for the 6, but now this is quite big. You can do 12.
Do your dispenser here. You have sockets here. You can see.
There,
Wow. And you have your breakfast bar here.
She added this. It was not there. We had left it up to here, but they saw the space was quite big here. So
she was on more space. More storage. This space is very big. I need it to have something.
She's cooking tea for us. That's why we are allowing her to get in.
So here she has a beautiful breakfast bar, you can see. And this beautiful sink here where she will be doing her cleaning.
A very good sink there.
And you see we do a really powerful sink at that matter. We don't use the wick steel. It's a heavy duty.
And we can show them first the
kitchen. Wow.
Okay.
We can see these are inbuilt electronics.
So
how do you go about this?
Normally the client has to tell us first before we put up the cabinetries. So she told us and they were able to bring the inbuilts here. So we were able to do the measurements. And these are not the standard cabinets we do. So we added more cabinets for this unit. You can see we have a lot of cabinets and it was well fitted by the carpenters. Even for the other mixers, even for the hood.
This one was a very the client was well planned. She had planned how her kitchen will be. She has everything installed. This is a table burner
with the hood
system. All installed. And also I can see she has something unique here. She was very specific on her kitchen. That's why you can see so many sockets. We work hand in hand with the client. Because you can see the sockets are exactly where they're supposed to be.
She knew what she's buying. So we had to plan before. So this is the pantry. We didn't do a very big pantry, just for putting the very small items that they have. It is very sufficient. And this is the laundry room. We had it on the inside, so for the safety of the washing machines. So this is where right now we have the box for the fridge. But the laundry will come later and it will be installed on that area. Wow. Now we go to the other rooms. We go and see the 2 bedrooms.
This house is quite unique. It brings
this is 120 square meter space. This is not more than 120.
It seems bigger. It's like the house is very, 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 very spacious. Very, very good. Well done. So we have a privacy here. Our client wanted to have a privacy for the 2 bedrooms here. In case when they have wagenis and everything, can be able to. We can lock it here.
We can lock it. Yes, you can lock it so that you can be able to limit the people who are coming in this space. So you can come in and see the bathroom areas, how they look like.
Very spacious.
You can see the toilet.
This one is big. This is just the toilet without a shower.
The toilet, we have a sink, very well done.
Everything installed.
All these are being fitted by the plumber. And you see, it's beautiful. We usually do our tiles up to 1.8. Most people usually ask if you are going up to up. This is a good height even if you are showering.
Yeah.
You cannot splash water more than this height.
Yes.
So this other one is a high-end option that people go with so that you will make it look nearly full. But this height is still workable.
All right.
So this is the separate, the toilet and the shower area.
And they are very spacious.
Yes, yes.
This shower is now big.
You can see this shower area is also beautiful, big.
This house is spacious.
Spacious, and 120 square meter of space. We have done the horizontal showers, the sinks. You can see they are very well done.
Yeah.
So these are clients' choice in terms of what they wanted as the finish. And yeah, even the amount of lighting you can see.
Even though there are no lights, it's quite, during the day, the rooms are well lit.
So we can see the first bedroom here.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you can see.
From the color we can tell.
Yeah.
This is a boy's bedroom.
This is the boy's bedroom. It's slightly bigger than the girl's bedroom.
Yeah.
And you can see it is well done, well finished. We have done a lot of windows for them, and very, very, very beautiful.
What I like about this house is how the interior is well thought of.
Yeah.
For this cabinet, someone might say it's a white cabinet, but this is a gray cabinet.
Gray cabinet.
This gray cabinet marries with this gray curtain. So as much as the blue is there, it breaks the monotony of blue with a gray look.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow.
Okay. So
let's go to the other bedroom.
We'll go and see the second bedroom. This is the door that you are saying.
Privacy door.
The privacy door.
Yeah.
When you close it, this area is locked.
Yeah.
Let's see the girl's bedroom.
Girl's room is by the entrance.
Yeah.
Wow.
See how
the color is I think this is what the girl shows.
Yes.
It's quite not the pink that you're used to. I guess this is a grown-up lady.
Yeah.
The colors are bold.
Yeah.
But you see it marries well. As the bedrooms we did the light gray. This is not white. Maybe the lighting might,
because of the lighting.
Yeah, but this is light gray, which marries very well with the curtains and marries extremely well with the colors, the turquoise.
Yes.
So you can see how beautiful it is.
Very, very well done.
Wow.
Yes.
Mr. Maiba, how long did it take to execute this project?
We are currently on the 10th week, 2.5 months right now, and we are currently handing over. So within a week's time, we are finishing with the snag list. Then we hand over the project.
All right. Yeah. So now, if I want this particular project, because I know this client said I want a certain, if it took her somewhere.
Yeah.
She said, I want this in my home.
Yes.
Not for that client who wants this in their land.
Okay.
Give them the stages, or how do they reach you? How do they reach Patil? So
you'll call us. We have different numbers. Right now, we have even added an office line. So our office line is 0113 888 444. You can be able to call that number. Or also our numbers that will be there on the screen. Or you can go to our website. www.batilconstructionlimited.co.ke or any of our social media pages. You can get our numbers there, talk to us, and we'll be able to come to site and be able to measure and know how to proceed. Now there's one more question that everybody will be asking. How much? What was the cost? I want this. How much? Okay, so the original budget for this house was 4.1 million, but now the client has done a lot of adjustments in terms of, you can see we have a wall unit that was not there. The cabinetries in the kitchen were a lot, and we have already fitting the inbuilts. You usually have a different cost. So the budget right now is 4.3, but the client was open to it, and we were able to do it in a very good way, and now the project is a success. The client was aware when the client is the one whom they have seen getting sugar. Okay. Yes. So she's happy. She's allowing us to shoot the house. She's happy with the progress, and so we are happy. Now, this is a 3-bedroom, 120 square meter bungalow. By 4.3 million, you can get it at your plot. It is very much possible. Just get in touch and you will have your dream
become a reality. Thank you.
Thank you.